Want to turn your own selfies into those magical animated Disney or Pixar-style portraits that have been blowing up on TikTok? You're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use a CapCut template to create your own Disney AI photo trend video. And it's easier than you might think. Whether you're looking to impress your friends or just have some fun experimenting with your photos, I'll walk you through each step to ensure your result is pure Disney magic. Let's dive in and start with the first thing you'll need: finding the perfect template. The quickest way is heading to TikTok and searching for terms like Disney CapCut template or Pixar CapCut template. TikTok is packed with users sharing their own creations, so the latest templates are right there for you. Don't worry if you see lots of options. Just look for videos that have the distinctive Disney or Pixar animated effect, usually on someone's selfie. You'll often see a CapCut "Try this template" button right on the video. That's your golden ticket. Give yourself a moment to scroll and explore until you spot a template that fits the look you want. Think of this step like browsing through costumes before picking the one that really lets your personality shine. Once you've found the right TikTok video, it's time to use the template. Just tap the CapCut "Try this template" button underneath, and it'll whisk you away to CapCut automatically. If for some reason that doesn't work, you can open the CapCut app separately and use the search bar to look for templates using the same keywords. Select the template and hit Use Template. This will start the editing project, and it should look just like what you saw on TikTok. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. The app is very user-friendly, and the templates do most of the heavy lifting for you. Now, here's the fun part: making it your own by importing your photo. You'll see a prompt or a Replace button on the preview screen. Click that, and you'll upload your favorite photo from your computer or your phone, whatever device you're using. If you're selecting a selfie, make sure your face is clearly visible and well lit for the best Disney transformation effect. The clearer your original photo, the more striking the final result will be. Sometimes the app may take a moment to load or process the image, so just give it a few seconds if you see a spinning wheel. Once your photo is loaded, hit Preview. This is where you get to see your magical transformation. If it doesn't quite look right, you can go back and swap in another photo, or tweak the image before previewing again. Sometimes a simple smile or turning your head slightly in the original selfie can change the vibe completely. Take this opportunity to experiment until you're happy with how it looks. That's what creativity is all about. Happy with the effect? Great! All that's left is to export your video. Just click the Export button, and CapCut will process your video so you can save it right to your device. From here, you can share it directly on TikTok, upload it to Instagram, or send it over to your friends to show off your stunning new Disney-inspired look. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've stepped right into the animated world of Disney. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment with any questions you have or which templates you're loving right now. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, creative ideas, and video editing tips. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.